In the last tip, I talked about how to journal on a photo, but I can also hear what you're saying. How can you journal on a photo if you don't have enough background to begin with? There isn't enough room without covering something up. Tiff, there is always a way. You want to extend the background of the photo. Here's how. Let's look at a quick and simple method. First, I've created my layout. And for my photo, I have a ton of space on the bottom here with the sand, but not a lot for the sky, which is what I really want. So after you've opened your photo in the photo editor, use the Move tool to place your photo where you want it to go within your layout. Now, determine where you want the extra background to go. For my page, I want the photo's sky to extend upwards towards the top of the page. Next, I'll want to duplicate this photo, so I'm going to use shortcut keys Command-J or Control-J on the PC. And then go to Edit, Transform, Flip Vertical. That's because I'm moving my picture up and down. If I wanted to fill the space on left or right, I would flip horizontal. Next, drag the duplicate to fill in that extra space. And that seamless lip is created, hiding all of that extra empty space I had in my background. And that's it.